Mosaic backers for your garden and lawn are better and easier than ever. Stakeable mosaic backers are made from the same waterproof, lightweight material as Skew Backer Ultra, and they come with a plastic stake and fasteners. Everything's pre-drilled, so it's super easy to attach the pieces and it won't decay. Now, I had a lot of fun making this dragonfly, but it's just a start. We have 15 more shapes to choose from. Now, when you begin your mosaic project on one of these backers, decide which side should be facing forward, because you have the option to point the tail either left or right. And then simply insert your T-nuts into the pre-drilled holes. And then I recommend that you go ahead and put your screws into the T-nut just to keep the adhesive away from the threads. So just pick some shapes and you're ready to unleash your creativity.